At Heartland Turf, we do more than just mow. We help grow healthier lawns. Our weekly lawn mowing service is specifically designed to help create a healthier, more weed-free lawn by following proven practices. With over 20 years of experience, we know how to pay attention to the details that matter. Attention to detail is the most important part of a great mowing service, and that starts with training all of our lawn care team members on what it means to mow your lawn the Heartland way. We've built an amazing team of individuals who take pride in making the lawns they take care of look their very best. Many of our team have been with us for years. Often, the same team will mow your lawn each week. This allows our crews to get to know your property and understand how to make it look its best. By cutting at the right height, we promote deeper root development, boost photosynthesis, and improve your lawn's drought resistance, all while enhancing its lush, green appearance. Mowing with dull blades tears the grass, leaving the tips of the grass yellow and unsightly. These torn ends also make the lawn more susceptible to disease. We keep our blades sharpened at all times for a clean cut. Grass clippings are naturally rich in nitrogen. By recycling the grass clippings back to the lawn, these vital nutrients are returned to the soil. The result? A stronger, healthier lawn that looks amazing and needs less fertilization over time. We are so committed to making sure that no detail is overlooked that each new mowing customer receives a complimentary power edging service to make every edge perfect. We provide unmatched customer service that is super knowledgeable and responsive, so help with any questions or concerns is always at your fingertips. Heartland Turf, actively caring, expertly advising, always improving your lawn.